Hey, it's Steve. Looking back on my life with MS, I remember a very vivid moment where I made a choice. You know that feeling of being trapped in your head? Like there's no escape? In that moment, I refused to live my life like that. I faced a hard truth. My body works differently than most. Different, but I can change it. See, my MRI shows new myelin being made, but it doesn't show how it feels. It's everything that I hoped and dreamed. All that was stolen from me has now returned. Life tastes sweeter than ever before. The answer is simple: muscle. I outlined why in my previous video. You might be thinking you can't build muscle, but everyone, male or female, big or small, young or old, we all might be different, but everyone can. The key is how to do it. I do a weightlifting workout known as wave loading. It's the best way to build muscle. It fits in wherever you start. It doesn't matter what tools you use, you just have to use them. I use a Bowflex home gym that uses resistance bands. Before you say anything, I know. It's hard to stay awake most of the time, let alone do physical activity. I don't have an answer for that. Life just isn't fair, but it does get easier. So let me show you how to do it. Start with 5 pounds of resistance. Do the first set of 8 reps. Increase the weight by the smallest amount available. The bands come in 5-pound increments, so remove the 5-pound band and add a 10-pound band. Do 6 reps at the higher resistance. When you're ready, add 5 pounds to make it 15 pounds and do 4 reps. At any time you can stop and take a rest. Just take your time. If you're like me, you'll start feeling your MS by now. The fatigue, if it wasn't already bad enough, is really going now. But that was the first wave. When I first started, I would only do 2 waves, so really, we're already halfway there. Now return to the 8 reps, like the first wave, but the second wave is different. Instead of going back down to the original 5 pounds, only go back 1 step to 10 pounds. It becomes the new 8 reps. 15 pounds, which was 4 reps before, is now 6. And 2 10-pound weights are the new 4 reps. See the progression? The first wave was 5, 10, 15. And the second wave is 10, 15, 10, 10. Progression is how to build muscle. There's a problem if we stop there. If everything stays the same, the body will quickly adapt and progress. In other words, remyelination will stop. As time goes by, to stay ahead of your body, you'll need to add both more resistance and more waves. Maybe you won't add every time, but you'll want to keep that in mind. Eventually, you'll be lifting more resistance and doing more waves. I learned the best result is by doing just 4 waves, max. More doesn't equal better. It's a fine balance, and more actually ends up burning muscle, not building it. Just make sure you are lifting the heaviest you can in the 4 waves. This is how I stopped my MS and got my life back. Trust me, remyelination takes time to get going, but once it does, you'll feel it. Eventually, all the positive things will keep growing. At the same time, the bad things will keep fading away.